سمعت قبل كده عن سلندر مان؟ وما سمعتش، خليني اقولك هو مين.
بيقولوا انها اسطورة اوروبية، عبارة عن راجل طويل جدا ملوش ملامح وبيلبس بدلة سودا وبيهاجم الاطفال بس.
عارفين المرعب في الموضوع ايه؟ تعالوا نسمع المكالمة اللي جاية دي.
Someone followed me and my brother home from school. Our parents are not home.
Have you seen this person before?
No. Can you please send help?
Where are you now?
At home, in the living room. I'm looking out the front window. The tall man is scaring us.
Where is this guy?
In front of the house.
What is he doing?
He's standing behind a tree. He's very tall. Help us. I'm scared.
What was that?
I don't know. The lights went out. I'm scared.
Help is on the way.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
What's happening?
ده الجزء الاول، استنوا الجزء التاني.